Greetings everyone. Here you can see the MERN based web my events, which actually I've made through the vibe coding, but it's really amazing. The purpose of this website is to practice for our QA community. Some people want to practice their automation testing, and some people wants to practice their manual testing, but they don't find that suitable MERN based website. So here I've created for them, which is I've included everything. What you can see, you can find here is the login page, forward page, registration page, okay. And here you can also find out the search page, okay, event, jobs, and blog. And from here you can go to the event page, and from the event anyone can test the register of the event. And the job, from the job anyone can apply for the job, test from here, apply for the job, okay. And from here anyone can read the blog, okay. Anyone can test that register, and after register and the login, which is this is the after login, and after login you can find that notification bell in here, and my profile page, okay. And if you go there you can find that extra button where a user can create event, also see he's created event, an upcoming event, and if he booked any event, register for any event, it will show in here. Mm, okay, and from here anyone can see his or her events participate also. From here it's also possible to test the edit event also, okay. And then if let me show you the admin dashboard. Here you can see the what you see, it's actually admin dashboard, okay. If you go to the event you can find the event dashboard. It's only for the admin. If you go there you can find that all users event. And from here you have authority to do everything, participate, event, edit, everything. Same goes to the job, actual job or jobs opportunity. From here if you go to the jobs dashboard, you can find that it's published or not. You can find the creator and it's draft or not, application deadline, applicant, edit. And also same as here you can find all the published blogs, draft, everything, okay. So this is actually the web app, okay. So I've already shared my GitHub repo with you. If you go there, you can find this is the MERN automation test practice project. That's one actually for uh, manual tester also. And if you want, you can practice your Playwright automation and Selenium automation also. One thing I've added in here, you can find that the test data, okay, it's working with the MongoDB. So if you import this test data to your MongoDB, you will find that all my test data, and it will be fruitful for you to test all of it, okay. So that's actually, let me know what you think about it. If you need any kind of help, please just knock me and clone this repo from here. Thanks everybody.